or to explain the Python code. There are three different types of comments. One is single line comments, multi-line comments, and docstring comments. Let us learn what is single line comments. For example, you have a Python statement like this. Hello world. If I have to comment out this, for example, if I have to explain something about the code below, for example, this is a comment. So at the moment this is not a comment because this is a code, part of code, so the interpreter can read this. If you have to put this as a comment, all you need to do is give a hash in front of it. So this is more readable. So this is a single line comment. So this will explain what this statement is. So you can write as much as you want, it doesn't matter. If you wanted to write a multi-line code also, you can write like that. For example, I have a code like that. I wanted to write multi-line comments here. Where says a comment. So all you need to do is put the hash in front of the hash and hash. This becomes a comment. And there are other type of comment which is docstring comment. The docstring comment, if you want to put a docstring comment, for example, you have something like this is a docstring comment. All you need to do is do 3 single line quotations, single quotes, and again 3 single quotes. This will be in green color, but it won't be read by the interpreter. If you run this, you shouldn't have any error. This will go to 0. For example, if you take any of the hash off, that becomes a line of code, and it will have, you can see that there are seven problems in this code. So if you run it, you'll have an issue. If you put a hash in front of that, it becomes a comment. You can write anything in there. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.